What do you think, Sebastian, of having the ILIAS International Conference in attendance and live again?
Yes, it's a moment we've all been waiting for more than 2 years now, and we're really looking forward to have the conference and to actually meet with people. And of course, it's always a lot easier to share formal and informal information when you actually meet the persons. And the other good aspect is on a digital conference you always get sometimes caught up in your daily work, and with this conference you can actually focus on the strategic topics and on the core development and focus more on the actual questions and not get distracted so much.
Thank you, Sebastian. And what do you expect from this ILIAS International Conference?
Yes, I expect it to be just as good as the conferences we had in Luzern or Dresden, probably to be even better. And of course, I'm looking very forward to the main topics about the future look, or back to the future, the how to ILIAS, and also, of course, the sharing or multiplicative aspects of ILIAS. I think all subjects are going to be very interesting, and it's just a great way for us to get new insights or new ways around problems we've already solved a little bit different. And I think it's always great to see, to have a look in other projects or developments.
Great, Sebastian. But why do you think it's important to participate?
Yes, ILIAS is a great open source project, and of course it's only a great open source project because of its community. And the community is greatly connected, and we have a very positive information flow, and of course in such a conference it's a great way to interact and share information even better than just on digital ways. And this is what makes it so great, is that there's actually a community coming together that is working on the same project, or has the same spirit and agenda, and this is what makes this project great, to actually to sharpen our understanding, because sometimes the perspectives of ILIAS users, supporters, ILIAS club members, they get a little bit dispersed, and this is a great way to actually to put these different views together and make it a little bit more composed view on ILIAS.
Great, Sebastian. Among the topics of the ILIAS conference, which is the closer to you?
I think all 4 topics are going to be great. When looking at the 4 topics, I'm not able to pick any preferences. I think the topic back to the future is great. It's always good to look ahead, and that's basically one of our daily tasks. Also, the accessibility questions are great. I think when we look at multi-language problems or accessibility problems, these are all great topics and challenges we need to incorporate in our project development. Also, the multiplicator effects are very interesting. I think that's also part of our daily questions of how to get everybody involved in any institution into ILIAS, whether it is a general corporation or an institution or a university, how to make the best use for any person within ILIAS. And of course, also the wildcard is going to be interesting.
Thank you very much, Sebastian. We really hope to see you there in an international conference in Bologna.
Yes.
And just join us.
Thank you.